Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 100 plus old saree conversion outfit ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, nowadays outfit from old sarees are in trend. Every girl is crazy about having different type of old saree conversion outfit. After seeing the demand of old saree conversion outfit, even the biggest fashion brand have started dealing in old saree conversion. So in this video we are going to show you some of the best outfit that you can make from old sarees, and also how to reset old saree into different kind of outfits like frock, lehenga, gown, kurtis, etc. Friends, all women must have many old sarees in their wardrobe. Here we are sharing some of the ideas on different style of outfit that you can make it from old sarees. There are many ways are available in which you can reset old sarees into some fashionable outfits. Friends, you can create lovely gown and kurta with help of old cotton and chiffon sarees. These kind of outfits are best suitable in summer and winter season. Nowadays, recycling old silk sarees are in trend. You can create lovely and fashionable outfit that you can wear at wedding as well as parties. Friends, kurtis is one of the most popular outfit from old saree conversion. You can reuse old cotton sarees, chiffon and silk saree and easily create best and beautiful kurtis. Friends, lehenga is one of the beautiful and best outfit. Lehengas are perfect for all occasions like parties and weddings. Can recycle crepe saree, silk saree or cotton saree to create lehengas. You can create lehengas according to the latest trend. What you can do is make the sleeve in gold shoulder style and add some mirror work in the cutout portion. Friends, you can recycle old silk saree to create gown style outfits. Especially select silk sarees with big border to make a gown. Gown can be wear as one piece dress as well as with legging. Friends, recycling old saree into lehenga or half sarees are in trend. You can create an beautiful and fashionable lehenga or half saree with a old sarees. You can cut for lehenga. You can use the border for the dupatta and the you can use contrast color for this kind of design will make you more beautiful. Nowadays, skirt from old sarees are in trend. It is more comfortable and airy. Nothing seems cool more than the skirt. You can create skirt from Banarasi old saree and team it with a white shirt. This kind of combination give a perfect contemporary look. You can even create skirt from chiffon saree into a flow skirt. Friends, the another popular one is convert old sarees into a dupatta. If you have old saree with some grand print or colors, or maybe a pattu or saree, make a dupatta from it. Nowadays, silk and saree dupattas are in trend. The another most popular one is create outfit for kids. For girls, you can create cute frock, traditional skirt or gown made it from old saree. For boys, you can create ethnic kurtas and team it with jeans. Friends, all Indian women love sarees. Nowadays, sarees are graceful, classy, and versatile. You can rock it for all kind of parties, wedding, or tone it down when it's come to office wear. Sometimes some sarees are don't wear anymore or one that is out of fashion. Don't worry, this video help you to recycle old saree into make a new outfits. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you love this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. If you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.